welcome to Chin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make bulgogi. Well, I don't know how to call it in English properly. Korean beef barbecue, but not quite right. Anyway, I'm just going to call bulgogi. Well, anyway, bulgogi was actually kind of food you can get on special days like traditional holidays or on your birthday when I was young. But nowadays it's became some kind of normal food. You can get anytime you want and enjoy. And there are several recipes according to the province. But today's one is a really basic one. So I'm going to try to make it with simple ingredients so that you can make yourself. These are the main ingredients today. I prepared mushrooms. This is shimeji and this is shiitake. Any mushroom would be alright. And a little bit of vegetables you have. And this is beef. Sliced, thinly sliced beef. This plus means actually it's a good beef. If we get more plus, it actually better. And Hanu means Korean beef. Yeah. And I'll show you the inside beef closely after open. Nowadays, they pack the beef according to its purpose. So this is for the bulgogi. So must be sliced thinly already. We use thinly sliced beef for bulgogi, normally less than 1 millimeter thick, as you can see. And this part, some beef part for bulgogi usually chalk roll or chalk eye roll part. Before start cooking, I'd like to get rid of a little bit of blood it might have using kitchen towel slightly like this. You can use just knife to chop it up, the beef, but I'm going to use scissors like this because there's some small pieces already, so I'd like to check and cut with scissors. I'm going to marinate the meat with sugar, 1 tablespoon. This procedure make meat a bit softer, and the sugar usually comes first before any other seasonings like salt or soy sauce. Just leave it while you prepare other ingredients. Prepare the vegetables first, and chopped, sliced, something like this. The amount of vegetables and other ingredients really depends on you. If you like vegetables, you can prepare more mushrooms, more onions. It really depends on you. Well, you can change the vegetables, whatever you like. When I slice the carrot, I try to slice thinly because carrot actually takes time to cook. You can use any kind of mushroom you like for this dish. Um, well, this is shimeji. If you see the roots, then you have to cut it off. But these ones looks okay to use right away. Before making marinade sauce, I'd like to talk about Korean pear. These are the pear pieces I kept in the freezer. When I buy some Korean pear, sometimes I keep some in the freezer to use for other dishes, and these are the ones I kept for a while. Well, so this time I'm going to use some for making marinating sauce. It gives you natural sweetness. Don't worry, you can just use sugar, or if you can buy these particular drinks, you can use this. This is pear, not LDH, which means pear in Korean. So this could be a substitute for the real pear. This is chopped pear and onion. I'm going to start making a marinating sauce first. Soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. And 1 tablespoon of masul cooking wine, but it's quite optional. And 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, and half tablespoons of syrup. You can use sugar instead, and this is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and a little bit of pepper. And the last, the water, 100 milliliter. You just need to blend all together. Now you can just mix the sauce and meat together like this. Just make sure all the meat mixed well with sauce. After mixed well, you just leave it at least 30 minutes before cooking. After heat the pan enough, start to cook meat. Well, I didn't use all the sauce, but if you actually want to enjoy glass noodle, you can pour all the sauce. You don't have to stir the meat that much, just a little bit like this. Just leave it until the bottom part gets cooked first. When you think just roughly 80% of meat cooked, it's a time to add the vegetables like onions and carrot. You can mix the beef with vegetables. I mean, well, together like this. When the onion gets to start transparent, it's time to add other vegetables, I mean mushrooms. These vegetables are something you can eat raw, so you don't have to cook too much. They're almost cooked. If you want to add glass noodle, just use old sauce, and this is time to add glass noodle after you soak the noodle in the water enough. Anyway, well, you can just finish the cooking with adding the last ingredients, green onions, and mix well. I think it's done. Usually served with rice, but you can eat as it is. It's not salty. Well, it's not that difficult to make, don't you think? Well, the good thing about this bulgogi, if you make a lot at once and save some, then you can use it for other dishes. Maybe next time I can show you other recipes using the marinated meat, bulgogi meat. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and I really want you to make yourself. Thanks for watching, and any comment will be welcome. See you next time.